from Birds and Drones, and I have with me Dr. Narasimha, who's come all the way from Chennai. He is a Chief Technical Officer at MGR Naval and Aerospace Innovation LLP, and he has some wonderful looking amazing technology out here on display. So Dr. Narasimha, could you please take us through your company and the products that you have on display today?
Yeah, nice to meet you. We have from Dr. MGR AEROSPACE. The funding of our MGR AEROSPACE is Dr. MGR Education and Research Institute. We have started our R&D of 2011 with the 4 members, and now we have grown with 64 members only in our R&D team.
Just the R&D team
Yeah.
has 64 members.
Yeah.
That's a very huge
Yeah.
employee strength.
Yes, we are holding a number of funding from government projects, and we have decided to come with one unique product for agriculture purpose as in a drone product. Had started our company at 2019, and we have came with our introduced a new developed and designed structure of this drone. After COVID struggle, we have rebooted ourselves and came to that product and designed this product and came to a dual payload system.
Okay, what is this concept of dual payload system?
This is nowadays all farmers and all customers are want one product. They are putting their money into the one product. They want a number of applications to be done with them. So they are all they want application, more application. They are putting in only one application, means that is not a feasibility for them. So we have come with one concept. This is a dual payload. In this single drone, multi-purpose of agriculture application can be done. The first step, what you are seeing is this is a spraying purpose. You heard the spraying purpose, and so many companies are doing the spraying services, pesticide spraying in the farming fields. But we have introduced in this single drone, you can remove this tank. You can put this system into this tank. This is a swappable payload, second payload system.
Okay.
By this payload system, the seed sowing method has been done. Seed sowing, not only seed sowing for fishery farm, for pellets, and also like a granules, any type of granules for agriculture purpose, you can sow by this application. This is a main application introduced. It can be done for the farming field, precisionized farming can be done. In seed sowing, you can see sowing the seeds, it will be uniformly sown into the field. The yield can be much better than that hand sowing method. So the timing, also seed can be reduced, unsold timing can be reduced, labor cost also reduced, and also there is no need to nursery the yield to another. So the nutrition value all same remains in that field. That is the main concept of this swappable payload.
So a multi-purpose agri drone. You don't need to purchase multiple drones for multiple operations. You have one drone that can do many things and serve many purposes, right from pesticides, spraying to sowing of seeds and crop monitoring as well. It's an all-in-one. So tell me something, how many, who can operate this machine?
Yeah, this machine can be operated by any people who have finished obviously 10th standard. They can be easily understand that who are purchasing this machine. We are giving a training in their field for 4 days. Our pilot, our senior pilots will be go there. They will give the training and they will give the basic maintenance. What should be done? They will give the basic maintenance, and we are also providing an architectural license for them. We are also teaching, and that part also include as a package for buying this machine.
So you manufacture the product and you provide after service
Yes.
of training the pilots.
Yes.
Do you also provide operator services for those who don't want to learn how to operate this? Do you also have pilots who can?
Yes. We are providing a pilot for a service for any type of field. They are holding only 1 acre. It's not a problem for us. We will send our drone, we will send our pilot to them. They will give the service to them. So we want to boost the farmers first. This is an industry, this is a mission new to the farmers. This is a technology is new to the farmers. We want to boost the farmers and we want to give the exact thing what farmers need. What we can say, a tractor has been came first time. Farmers not aware of the tractor. Now the tractor is in every farmer's house. It will be also take the revolution in the drone technology.
So what about farmers who cannot afford a drone and they do not want your product but they want your service?
Yeah.
So can they hire your services for a specific amount of time probably, just a one-time use or a two-time use per crop?
Yeah. Like that service also we are providing.
Okay.
This service oriented providing for 1 acre or 2 acre. Farmers want on that time of the yield, they want to spray, they want to spread the granules, and then anything want. We are minimally charging amount of 400 to 500 to the farmers per acre, and giving the service to the farmers, and having the feedback from the farmers, and also continuously the farmers are willing to have the service from us. Continuously we are getting the phone calls, and we are giving the customer service what the farmer needs.
So typically this is a Chennai-based company,
Yeah.
but where all can you provide these services?
Yeah, we are having a customer support sector separately. We are now started in South India, formerly 4 states in South India. Now we have enlarged today India, throughout India. We want to give our service throughout the India. Why means this is a technology, I already told, new technology. Up to the rural, up to the villages. This technology will be adapted. So mainly the farmers will not drop into the money. They want to have money of their own what they are spending. So we are giving the complete package to the farmers. This is a farmer-oriented company. Right? Them and they are satisfied, so they will give the drone to them.
So you get like a license to fly.
Yes, we are also providing an artificial license for them. We are also teaching, and that part also include as a package for buying this machine.
So you manufacture the product and you provide after service
Yes.
of training the pilots.
Yes.
Do you also provide operator services for those who don't want to learn how to operate this? Do you also have pilots who can?
Yes. We are providing a pilot for a service for any type of field. They are holding only 1 acre. It's not a problem for us. We will send our drone, we will send our pilot to them. They will give the service to them. So we want to boost the farmers first. This is an industry, this is a mission new to the farmers. This is a technology is new to the farmers. We want to boost the farmers, and we want to give the exact thing what farmers need. What we can say, a tractor has been came first time. Farmers not aware of the tractor. Now the tractor is in every farmer's house. It will be also take the revolution in the drone technology.
So what about farmers who cannot afford a drone and they do not want your product but they want your service?
Yeah.
So can they hire your services for a specific amount of time probably, just a one-time use or a two-time use per crop?
Yeah. Like that service also we are providing.
Okay.
This service oriented providing for 1 acre or 2 acre. Farmers want on that time of the yield, they want to spray, they want to spread the granules, and then anything want. We are minimally charging amount of 400 to 500 to the farmers per acre, and giving the service to the farmers, and having the feedback from the farmers, and also continuously the farmers are willing to have the service from us. Continuously we are getting the phone calls, and we are giving the customer service what the farmer needs.
So typically this is a Chennai-based company,
Yeah.
but where all can you provide these services?
Yeah, we are having a customer support sector separately. We are now started in South India, formerly 4 states in South India. Now we have enlarged today India, throughout India. We want to give our service throughout the India. Why means this is a technology, I already told, new technology. Up to the rural, up to the villages. This technology will be adapted. So mainly the farmers will not drop into the money. They want to have money of their own, what they are spending. So we are giving the complete package to the farmers. This is a farmer-oriented company.
That's lovely. So the farmer is prioritized out here. They want to actually do some good work where the farmer gets the benefits. So can you explain the structure out here? It's
Yeah.
quite intriguing.
Yes, sir.
The payload and those kind of details. If you
This
could take us through.
drone model name is NAI Agro Drone.
Okay.
Swappable payload. The capacity of the drone is 10 liter for spraying.
Okay.
For seed spreading, it is an 8 kg capacity.
Okay.
This drone is a unique drone, as I have told, swappable payload. The endurance will be 19 minutes. We can have a spraying for 3 acres in the 19 minutes. It will be a precision spraying.
Okay.
So this drone has X6 plus motor, and also we are having four nozzles. This is a flat fan nozzles. For the flat fan nozzles, we will spray for a paddy field, mainly paddy field. We are providing different types of nozzles for different types of crops. This is a unique drone. The farmers can easily have they can run this drone. There is no complicated things has been adapted. Also, you can see the length of the landing gear.
Yeah.
This is a unique structure has been developed by our team. This is a unique has been developed. You can see many drones have been displayed. This structure is quite it's been not done. This is a unique structure developed by our company, and also for changing the payload system, it will be very user friendly. Just you can remove this four screws. You can take this tank and you can put the tank, this tank to this area. It's user friendly. Nothing is complicated.
Okay, so simplicity is at the heart of this innovation. They want it to be user friendly to the end consumer. Is that your USP of this product? What exactly is your USP?
The uniqueness of this product, I have told.
It's a landing gear.
Landing gear, the structure. The structure is the uniqueness. You can see the compatibility of the drone. Just one man can lift the drone and they can carry it out. And also you can keep in the motor vehicle itself. It is not a problem. You can tie up this drone, begin the motor vehicle, you can just take it out. There is no problem in the drone. This is a uniqueness. The major uniqueness, it is a different application.
So multi-purpose and easy to use with very unique landing gears and highly portable is the unique features of this drone out here. Do you have other drone products, or this is the only one that the company manufactures?
No. We have now the first type certified drone is this. So we are introduced to the market this drone. We have several drones. We have another version 2. And it is under development. It will be launched at August.
And when was this type certified?
This is type certified as January, month of Jan 2025, on the occasion of the Pongal.
Oh, lovely.
Yes.
How many, what is your core team now? Who are the members in your core team?
Our director, Mr. Kamaladasan, and our another director, Mr. Raghu. Our chairman and our president is Mr. Arun Kumar, is the funder of this company. He is a very, very sweet person. He is giving the lot of fun to us, and he is telling only one thing: you are be self-sustainable. It is the goal of our president.
Wonderful goal. So he is the angel investor.
Yes, he is the angel investor. You self-sustainable yourself. You self-sustainable. That is the goal of our president, sir, Mr. Arun Kumar, sir. Also, our core team, I already told, we have the major core is an R&D. 64 members.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Out of what is your entire employee strength?
Nearly our employee strength is 92 members are there.
Out of that, 2/3 is in R&D alone.
Yeah. We are prioritized that R&D.
Okay.
After R&D, only we can give the several number of products in the commercial market.
Correct.
Before we are not doing the R&D, we can't create indigenous things.
Correct.
So only we are concentrated in the R&D. Now the commercialization product we are doing with a team of separate members.
So this is 100% indigenous?
No. this drone have an indigenous percentage nearly 30 to 40%.
Okay.
Now our version 2 drone will have 92% of indigenous.
Lovely.
Yes, we are developed and under the process with the DDC.
Is the company already making revenues? What is the structure like?
We are making revenue with, I already explained about that R&D project we are doing, and also now we have started that service for the farmers and started the selling of the goods, and also we have started giving the training for the students and for farmers. Based on that the revenue is generated. Not only that I will not tell the revenue.
Okay,
That
fair
I will
enough.
not tell revenue. That is one contribution of the money is coming to the company. Based on that money, we can move towards and we can grow. That's why I told that self-sustainability. That's why our management have introducing to be self-sustainable. So we have moved that goal.
So what is your near future plan for the company? What are your objectives?
That
and-
we are future for our plan of the company. Major goal is an air taxi, air mobility vehicle.
Oh, you're getting into UAM?
Yes.
Wow.
We are focusing on that. We have started our R&D. The design part is over. We are going to move for the prototype model, and we are looking for some collaborative activities. Moreover, we will produce our prototype model September.
Well, that's
Coming
quite
September.
soon. So when you're entering the eVTOL space,
Yes.
would it be for logistics or actual passengers?
We are looking for both the purposes. Pivotal for both the purposes, for passengers, also for logistics. For both application is there means it will be competitive in this market.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Have you signed any MOUs with probably logistic partners in the field?
No. I told we are once we are introduced our prototype. On that time we are signing with the logistic partners and also some associate companies who are all thinking about the EV cars. That's
Wonderful.
Yes.
Can't wait to check out that one as well.
yes, sir.
So lots of new products being launched one after
Yes.
the other right now. In September, we can't wait to see the next one. And congratulations to you. You've done
Thank
a
you.
wonderful job.
Thank
We
you.
wish you all the best from Watson.
Thank you.
Can you take a